like me and look down for a junction or something, make sure you look up. Coming out of Waynesville. Bit of a clue that we're on Route 66, I suppose. So I took us down the wrong road yet again. I should have bought that sat nav in Walmart this morning. Here's the next giant. looks like you can get more than a bowling pin here. What they really need is one of your bowling balls.
Yeah.
That's what what were your bowling balls called?
What are they called?
What are they called? The ones you made? Ebonite, yeah. We need an giant ebonite bowling ball to be with that. Instead we got the lion's den. What does the black and white American flag symbolise? Is that
black and white?
Is that in the military?
Black and white flag with a blue line across the middle.
Yes.
For police officers.
Ah.
That's showing support for police officers.
Right. Which is now parking. This is real old racetrack, isn't it? I like your style, Mr. Trevor. And where are we, Jim?
We're on a side trip. Took a little side detour route on Route 66, baby.
Fried chicken. Fried chicken cafe.
I knew that's what you were wanting, but I had to do a little extra. But I kind of messed it up.
No, you didn't.
You'd like to send me that.
No, I didn't have time, no, sorry.
I'm gonna go back and get a picture of it. Still looking.
We're in Lebanon, sorry, and it's Jimmy Bravo time. So that's like old my friend Ian, you know, with his E-type. Yeah, he talks the talk, you know, and these women frame themselves over his bonnet. Look at that jobbly what's it over there. I have to edit it, but I've got it because I've got my finger in the way, silly bugger.
Want me to go back?
No, I can edit. I just cut it.
Okay.
I just cut the photograph. You see, old Ian's always going on and posting those pictures that he gets from some dodgy site somewhere about you know, these glamorous women throwing themselves all over the bonnet, and yeah, we're driving along in a cool Jimmy Bravo mobile, and we got all these girls hollering at us and waving at us and
Yeah, I saw what you
chatting, you know.
Yeah, but none across the bottom.
No, well, I did. I don't know if you saw my message. I said, yeah, they're not. They don't put themselves on the bonnet. They're trying to get in the car. It's a historic Taco Bell. Sorry, Taco Bell.
There we go. You get me. And you talking like a hillbilly before we get home.
Taco Bell.
Talk about, let's go Taco Bell. They won't know what you're talking about.
I'm just disappointed I can't drive like no hillbilly.
Can't drive like what?
No hillbilly. I ain't taking a hillbilly on in the race. If this is an example,
You ain't taking what?
a hillbilly on in the race. I mean, I'd sort of taken any of my friends on, but I just know I'd get a whooping with you. I mistakenly thought that when I was behind the wheel, I didn't have a lot of fear.
Oh, what?
I didn't think I had any fear when I was behind the wheel, but I now realise I have been shown by the master that I've got much training before I get my black belt in hillbilly driving. Do I want to drive? No, I was just saying no. I was just saying that I don't want to take you on in a race. Don't get me wrong, I've watched the Dukes of Hazzard and I thought, yeah, I can take on those boys. But then I get in with a real hillbilly, and I'm just...
A real hazardous driver? Is that what
Hazard County. No, they drive well, those
369 gas has got on
We got different coloured
Lebanon.
water tires.
Getting Lebanon water time.
That's Lebanon, alright.
I like that they put the historic Byway 66 marker
Yeah.
pretty regularly along here. I mean, I know we're supposed to drive through Lebanon, you know, and then we're looking for, I can't remember that, we're looking for 127. Yeah, exit 127.
Yeah, thanks. There's a big old American car over there. Classic. If you park over there, they'll see us, won't they? I said if we park over here, they'll see us.
You've arrived.
Great to see you. Wonderful to see you.
We were looking
All
for
right,
a
and
traveler.
congratulations, congratulations. Yeah,
Well, there is, right where we were sitting, there was a, great, was it Rest Haven motel that has a thing on side.
You can see right there, the Rest
Right there,
Haven
just
Port.
before the U.S. Bank.
right.
And it's on the, it's in the book.
Is that the pizza place in the Rest Haven?
No, the pizzas, there's a, if you follow 66 that takes you downtown
Okay.
Springfield.
Right.
But there's also a little hole in the wall we stopped at a couple of days ago if you like fish and gumbo and stuff, and that place.
Not bad.
I don't know if that's even or not.
Yeah,
Whoa. Give me a paper towel first. I mean, wipe
But-
myself.
of course,
Thank you.
You've given me all the liquid and you've got all the good
I
stuff.
was thinking the same thing. I'm like, he gets all the junk.
Which
I've
one?
made it.
Which one?
It's-
Which
it's
one
like-
do you think has all the good stuff? You
It's
pick
like
that
we
one.
were. It's,
I'll
no,
end up
no,
eating it
no,
anyway.
no. You, Jim. We're just fish out a few bits of the.
Thank y'all for the help.
It
From
was
that, so
definitely worth it.
it's like this bottle of bourbon we were given. It's I think it's evaporating. It's because I'm sure it's not me drinking it.
Work breaks.
That was cold. Wasn't it? Wasn't it? I was about to say, look, these wonderful people, Alan and Lynette. Yeah. You haven't got room in your car, have you, for a small breed? You're not going anywhere near Tennessee Airport, are you? Because I'm thinking I might need a lift.
I'm trying to.
Lynette, thank you very much for introducing me to Gumbo.
Very
It is honestly, it's something I've wanted to try for years. So brilliant.
Wonderful.
Brilliant. We got the lovely Lynette here, wonderful Alan, and Bravard.